The raw milk is now being pumped through this overhead pipe bridge into the massive stainless steel storage tanks. Silo 03 filling confirmed. Level at 46.5% and rising.
Step 5 involves pasteurization, where the cream is heated to carefully controlled temperatures before moving through the insulated pipes.
After pasteurization, the cream is rapidly cooled and transferred into these aging tanks, where it will rest for several hours before the churning process begins.
This aging stage allows the fat crystals inside the cream to stabilize.
This aging stage allows the fat crystals inside the cream to stabilize.
During churning, the fat globules collide and begin sticking together, separating from buttermilk as butter grains form and buttermilk is drained away.
After the butter solids form, and the butter is washed several times with chilled clean water to remove leftover buttermilk.
Once the texture reaches the correct consistency, and the butter moves into forming machines that shape it into blocks, sticks, or bulk portions.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.